My dear viewers, you are welcome and thanks for watching. I brought you this number where we need to find the value of x. We are going to have a step-by-step response to this question. In fact, it is asking you, can you solve for x in? And you can see we have our expression involving logarithms. So if you didn't watch earlier on videos about logarithms, please, I'm going to leave the link in the description. And if you are not this channel, please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a video, like and share. Let's now begin with our response. So we are having our log of 6 minus x base 4 being equal to log of x base 2. So in here, what we are going to do, we are going to change one of these bases into the other one. So simply we are going to make the bases of these logarithms to be the same. We can decide to change. So we are going to change both logarithms to be of base 2. What does it mean? It means that we are having the log of 6 minus x base 2 divided by log of 4 base 2 equals to the log of x base 2. So in here on the left hand side, we have converted this logarithm to be of base 2. So now let us proceed. Remember, we have the log of 6 minus x base 2 divided by the log of 4 base 2 equaling to the log of x base 2. From here we can simplify the one on the left hand side. So it means we have the log of 6 minus x base 2 divided by the log of 2 squared. So we see that 4 is the same as 2 squared, but base 2 being equal to the log of x base 2. So it means that as we follow the rules of logarithm, this 2 is gonna fall that side and remain with log of 2 base 2, which gives us a 1. So it implies that we are having the log of 6 minus x base 2 divided by 2 log of 2 base 2 being equal to the log of x base 2. Then from here, we know very well that log of 2 base 2 equals to 1. What does it mean? It implies that we are having the log of 6 minus x base 2 divided by 2 equaling to the log of x base 2. From here, this is the same as this is the half. So we have the half log of 6 minus x base 2 equaling to the log of x base 2. By following the rules of logarithms, if you've not watched that video, the link is in the description. Go and watch it for better understanding. So this one is gonna come this way as a power. It's gonna become a power, implying that our next step, we are having our log of 6 minus x, the whole of it power a half, but base 2 being equal to the log of x base 2. So this is the same as having the log of 6 minus x under a square root base 2 being equal to the log of x base 2. In here, since the bases are the same, we can just compare the numbers. This is what I mean. It implies that our square root of the 6 minus x equals to x. So we are having the root of 6 minus x being equal to the x. So from here, we are going to square both sides so that we can eliminate this square root. This is what I mean. We are going to square both sides of the equation so that we have the 6 minus x being equal to the x squared. From this step, let us form a quadratic equation whereby it's coming to be the x squared plus x minus 6 equals to 0. I've simply transferred these ones to this side and then I begin with the one on the left hand side. So this is our quadratic equation whereby the sum of factors equals to 1, then product of factors equals to the negative 6. So we ask ourselves, which two factors, when we add them we get 1, then if multiplied you get negative. These factors are 3 and negative 2. If we multiply them we shall get negative 6, and if we add them we get a positive 1. So it implies that our expression is coming to be the x squared plus, now let us substitute in, plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equaling to 0. So as we proceed, we can pull out a common there, which is x into the x plus 3. Then you pull out a common one there is a negative 2 into x plus 3 equaling to 0. From here still we pull out the common, which is x plus 3 into the x minus 2 being equal to 0. So from here you can say that either x plus 3 equaling to 0, implying that our x could be equal to the negative 3, or our x minus 2 equals to 0, implying that our x could be equal to a positive 2. So far we have got these values, but we need to check or cross-check to find whether both of them or one of them is suitable. We are to prove. Let us begin with the x equaling to the negative 3. Remember, we have our log of the square root of 6 minus x being equal to the log of x base 2. Let us try to substitute for x equals negative 3 in the expression on the left hand side. So we are saying that the left hand side we would have the log of the square root of 6 minus, but our x, which is negative 3 base 2. This could give us the log of the square root of, so we have 6 plus 3 is 9 base 2, which is now the same as the log of the square root of 9. We can say it is a positive or negative 3 to base 2. So it means that we are getting two answers, whereby we can say that the log of 3 base 2 or the log of negative 3 base 2. Let us test the one on the left. Still for x equaling to the negative 3. Remember, or the one on the right hand side is log of x base 2. Let us substitute and see. So this is the same as having the log of negative 3 base 2. So this is giving us the answer, implying that x power negative 3 is correct. Also, we test for x equaling to a positive 2. On the left hand side, remember I have log of the square root of 6 minus x base 2. So as we substituting for x equal to 2, we are having the log of the square root of 6 minus 2 base 2, which is the same as the log of the square root of 4 base 2, which is the same as either the log of 2 base 2 or log of negative 2 base 2. Let us now test for the one on the right hand side. On the right side we have log of x base 2. As we are substituting, this is the same as having the log of x, which is equal to base 2. We see that this is also correct. We can conclude that therefore the values of x equals to 2 and still x equals to the negative 3. Both answers are correct in here because we have already tested them. This is the right answer, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you again. Goodbye.